Welcome to Labrone Reviews, the channel where we test it, twist it, and tell you if it's worth your hard-earned cash. So if you're into smart buys and no-nonsense reviews, you're in the right place. Alright folks, today we're talking about something that might not sound flashy, but trust me, it's a lifesaver for anyone short on space, or sick of turning their living room into a laundry jungle. Let me introduce you to the Minky Retractable Duo Reel washing line, or as I like to call it, the space-saver superhero of the laundry world. This tidy little unit gives you 30 meters of drying space thanks to two 15-meter retractable lines. That's enough room to hang an entire family's wash, including your questionable sock collection. Mounts easily, doesn't eat up your patio space, and when you're done, zip, it retracts back like it never existed. Harry Potter wishes his invisibility cloak was this effective. And if you're wondering, yes, it's a top performer on Amazon product reviews, and no, it won't fall apart after 2 uses like your last bargain buy. This thing, trip hazard, takes up space, pet hates it. This thing, out of sight, out of the way, and your clothes will love it too. Saves electricity, preserves clothes longer, weather resistant, looks clean and modern. So if your idea of a balcony isn't a sock museum or a jungle of drying jeans, the Minky Retractable Duo Reel is your new best friend. Unless your cat claims it first. Check it out on Amazon using our link in the description. Every click supports this channel so we can keep reviewing smart buys and useless gadgets alike. And hey, if you want more honest, practical product reviews like this one, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button with the force of a freshly laundered towel. You've been watching Labrone Reviews, where the reviews are real, the tips are fresh, and we hang the truth out to dry.